everyone, Merry Christmas! Yes, today was Christmas, so guess what's happening today? What's happening today? Oh, I know. Today is Boxing Day. We got a gift from Sister Jane, so we decided to unbox the gift. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside the gift. Let's go! Let's do it! We are ready for the gift. Yes! Are you ready to unbox with us? Let's do it! So here's the gift. Now let's open it. Let's dig it. So I can't wait to see what's inside mine too. I can't wait to see what's inside yours. Let's see.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do.
Oh wow! It's building blocks. I love it. Now let's take the paper down. Wow! Oh, this is 54 art set. I love it so much. Mom, this is my education now stuff. This is the instructions. Oh, this is very cute. This is a painted. This is a painted. Oh, I love yours. You have to be contented with yours. God be better contented is great game. But thank you. I have the sharpener and I have this purple one. I have the glue. Let's put it inside. I have the eraser. I have the paintbrush to paint this. Then now we're going to put. I have a pencil. So this is number one draw. Wait. This is number one draw. Yeah. Second one is crayon.
Is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Ask her, can I play with you? Okay. You have this. I want to build a car. Well, I have to look for it to read the instructions. This is the instruction. This is the wheel. No, it's not a wheel. It's a circle. This is a wheel. We'll put it here. See, it will work. If we wait, like this. The wheels on the bus go round. Ice cream for sale. Whoa. What can I do? Ta-da! So I want to build this. So what? It's very. Hey, sister, is this how we do it? So purple and orange. Ta-da! It looks like a scare. It's a van. So we'll put this. This one? No. Where is it? This one? Are you looking? No, not like this. Looking for something like that. Okay. Ta-da! We put it here. See? So then we'll put this. Okay. So this is. Let's count. 1, 2, 2. So we put this 2 here like this. Do you have that? I don't. Okay. Then go down. Put this long. This is a short purple one. Purple.
Sure.
don't have anything left in here. Oh, for sure I have. Huh? This is orange. But they use orange too. Orange. Then now we'll create this. Okay. This.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's
Yeah. It's stressful. Put this here. Put this here. Put this. So now it's already ready.
So what other video do you want to do?